What a beautiful day that the Lord has made, and I'm just going to rejoice and be glad in it. Uh, I fixed that problem there, and then we have another problem over here. Did you know that every time you have a problem, there is always a solution? The solution. Amen. These are not that I'm Filipino. It's just that these are it's for my knee, my other knee, in case I gotta go deep. But I happened to find a problem. The problem was not the water was not leaking from here. So I had to do some investigation, and then I said, man, that's deep here. The whole big holes run down here. But the problem was that this here, what's the problem? So we got to have the solution. Okay. They they put this tape, electrical tape around it to hold it. Well, it held it for a while, but the electrical tape is not gonna hold it. Okay. So the solution, we can go here, put that in here, put it in here, and then we can make it water over here. Or uh, I could just put one of these and just kill it off at the pass. Or I can put this extension. This extension goes here, extension to here, and then we can water some more over here. But what I am going to do, this is called hole plug. Hole plug. So you got a hole here, and we're just gonna plug it, and then that's it. We're done. So for every solution, for every problem, there has to be a solution. Amen. The Lord bless you. The Lord keep you, make His face shine upon you, and give you the wisdom to do anything.